What's something people don't know about Gilbert OJ's channel? It's not just preaching, it's a spiritual powerhouse. Are you ready to grow deeper in faith? Struggling with sin? There's hope. Want to understand the Bible better? You're in the right place. Introducing Gilbert OJ, known as iPreacher, bringing the word to the world with powerful teachings, inspiring hymns, and transformative interviews. Whether you're seeking guidance to overcome personal struggles or learning sign language to connect with the deaf community, Gilbert's got you covered. From dynamic Bible studies to heartfelt personal testimonies, his channel is your go-to for spiritual growth and empowerment. Catch the fire of the word as it flows from the pulpit to the planet. Follow, share, subscribe. Let's take the word to the world. Facebook, TikTok, YouTube at Gilbert OJ iPreacher. WhatsApp 0555620072. Motto: empower your faith, transform your world. Theme: from the pulpit to the planet.
Hello, my name is Gilbert, spelling Gilbert in short. If you are my student on a WhatsApp group called How to Sign with Gilbert, and if you are watching me and you are not part, just take the number, text me at WhatsApp. We have a WhatsApp class that I'm tutoring them or lecturing them on how to sign to deaf. I will add you to the class when you take the number and text me. My students, those who are already part, this is our next lesson or episode on how to sign with Gilbert. Today, we are going to learn how to sign countries, politics, cities. How to sign countries, politics, and cities. So, how to sign countries, politics, and cities. Be with me and start. Community. Community. You use letter C to sign community. 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 Use letter L for right hand and E for left hand. So, local. Local. So, you do local. 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 Kingdom. 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 Visit. 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 Use. Next word is flag. Letter F. Put it on this back of your hand. Flag. And you wave the letter F. Flag. Flag. Therefore, let's sign the next word, that is our own Ghana. Country, Ghana. Country. Ghana. Letter G. Ghana. Ghana. So, Ghana flag. Our country, Ghana flag. Understand? Nigeria, use letter N. N. Then you bring it near to your mouth. Nigeria. Nigeria. So, Nigeria. Country, Nigeria. Flag. The next word is Togo. 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 Letter T. Togo. The next word is South Africa. Use letter S. Letter S. South. Letter A for Africa. So, Africa. South Africa. You are good. The last word, the 10th one, is Canada, 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 Canada. So let's wrap up by sign or as you are signing to a deaf. So let's begin with community, local, 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 kingdom, kingdom, visit, flag, Ghana, Nigeria, Togo, Togo, South Africa, and Canada, Canada. Thank you for learning with me politics, cities, and the country. So sign these 10 words, and the next episode we will add another 10 to it. We are not done, but for you to understand and remember, record them easily. That is the reason why we are bringing to you 10 words in politics, countries, and cities. The name is Gilbert O.J. I preacher. Subscribe, like, and leave comments. Take the number if you are not part of the class, and we will add you. Goodbye.